Hello, I am Dr. Jagruti Sanghvi, a senior gynecologist practicing at Sanghvi Hospital, Ahmedabad since last 30 years. Today I am going to prepare a Gujarati dish, vegetable handwo. It is a very spicy, healthy and nutritious. Vegetable handwo, we required a raw mix which is prepared with the 3 cup of the rice, 1 cup urad dal, half cup sabudana, 1 tablespoonful of fenugreek seed. All are mixed and prepared by grinding a thick coarse atta like suji, this one. And then in this atta I have added 1 cup of sour curd with warm water, or you can add warm buttermilk also. Mix it well to prepare a little bit thick batter so that other vegetables can be added easily. And then I have kept it for 8 hours in a warm place for it fermented. Now this fermented batter is ready. I have taken the 1.5 cup of the grated bottle gourd, half cup of the finely chopped carrot, half cup of the fresh green peas, or you can take the frozen green pea also, half cup of the French beans and half cup of the dried grated coconut. Other seasonings agents are required is green chili ginger paste, 1 tablespoonful of the red chili powder, sugar, half tablespoonful of baking soda, half tablespoonful of the turmeric powder, and salt to taste. For tempering I required the 4 tablespoonful of the oil, 3 tablespoonful of the sesame seed, 1 mustard seed, dried red chili and curry leaves. Now this is a handwa pan. This I have already greased with the oil and then dusted with the white flour so that remolding of the handwa at the end will be easy, it will not stick. And this is a mold which is to be kept in a bottom which is filled with the fine sand. Now I am adding all the ingredients one by one. I have added all the vegetables in a very good manner. Mix it well. Now I am adding all the seasoning agents. Mix it well. Last I am adding the baking soda. Now you can see the effect of the baking soda. Proceed for the tempering. I am adding this oil in this pan. Allow it to heat properly. Meanwhile, this is a sand containing mold. I am also starting heating it. It requires to preheat for 2 to 3 minutes also. First I will add the mustard seed. Now it has started crackling almost. Now I will add the sesame seed of the burner. And I will add this tempering over in the prepared batter. Mix it well. Now pour this batter in a handwa pan. Now spread this remaining sesame seed over the top. close the pan, put it over this preheated sand pan. Keep the burner on for full flame for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes I will slow it down to the medium flame for the 45 minutes. At the end of the 45 minutes, we'll check with the knife. Now the 45 minutes is over. Now I am going to check the whether this handwa is prepared or not by opening the lid. With the help of the knife, I am just inserting inside. See, it is not sticking. Again, I will close the pan with the lid and will shift to the another burner. Transfer this sand filled mold over the top of the handwa pan for 15 minutes again, so that the upper layer of this top layer of this handwa will get crispy. Now 20 minutes is over. Now I am removing this sand filled mold in the downwards and open the lid. You can see the light brown color of in the top layer of the handwa, and it has started separating from the margins. Now I will try to remove it from the side. I will try to unmold it and remove it in the dish in this way. This big dish I will put in this reverse way, and now hold the whole handwa, reverse it, and gradually I will try to remove it. See, now the whole handwa is removed in a cake manner. Now I will put another dish and again try to reverse it. So now the whole cake is ready to eat, and we'll cut into pieces for serving like that. According to your required size, you can cut it into pieces. See, the one piece like that we can cut into pieces.